Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Wait Build Dig. Very cold this morning here in Alabama. I mean, I'm wearing a jacket and pants, so that means it's cold. Well, today I am going to move this stuff right here over there by the fence, just temporarily out of the way, and I'm going to build a shed right here. A 12 by 16 shed, and that way I can bring all my stuff that's in storage, that's been in storage since we decided to sell our other house and buy this property and build this house right here. So I think it's been a little over 2 years that's been in storage. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna build me a shed and get it out of storage. Cause I was gonna do a garage, but we just ran out of money to do a garage. You know, it'd be like 20,000 plus to do a garage, but I can spend 2,000 on a shed and get my stuff out of storage. So that is the plan. All right, let's get started. I got all that moved. It's time to remove this grass, basically. Get rid of the topsoil, which shouldn't be much. Okay, so got it all leveled off. Looks pretty good. Got the boards out there, screwed together. Still gotta make sure that it's square diagonally. But I'll do that tomorrow. I'm running out of time today. I'll put the stakes out here once I get it squared up. Okay, next day here. So now I got it squared up, measured it diagonally, got the same number on both sides. So I measured that way, and I measured from this corner all the way to that corner, so corner to corner diagonally. And I came up with the same number. So now my building is square, and I put these metal stakes all the way around. And now I'm going to put those in to where, you know, in theory it won't move, the building can't move no more, and then I'll raise it and level it. Okay, got this all squared off and leveled, and so you can see the front of it is off the ground quite a bit. So what I'm gonna have to do is bring in some fill dirt. Yesterday I just came out here and moved this whole building over. You can see where it was right here. So I moved it over 3 foot, which would change the distance between these two overhangs for the eaves of each building. It was gonna only be 3 foot, but now it'll be 6 foot because I moved it over 3 foot. So I figured I better have that so I can get up there when I'm, you know, on the roof and with ladders and material and all that stuff, give myself more room. So anyway, I got it reset, squared up and level again. And I was thinking about just taking this front board off and, you know, putting dirt in there and using the 16 foot long section, and just to figure out where my dirt needs to be, how high it needs to be. But today I was like, you know what, I'm going to put these metal stakes out here and, you know, go off of where the height is and remove the board. And that way I can just come in here and put all the dirt, and the stakes are actually wider than the building. So now as I'm putting dirt in, I can compact it, especially where the walls are going to be at. But anyway, that whole area will be compacted, and then it'll just slope away as the dirt falls. Anyway, I got my dirt come in yesterday, right down there. Actually, I ordered it and it came the same day, so that was pretty cool. Got here about noon yesterday. All right, well, let me take this frame apart, get some of these metal stakes out of the way that's actually holding the frame up, and then we'll get in the machine and bring dirt up here. Okay, got it ready for concrete. All I gotta do now is just put the plastic in there. I did get this thing completely compacted. My battery died, so I couldn't show that. But I got it all compacted. Then I put the boards back on there and squared them up, leveled them up. And I was about 2 inches off up here, so I had to bring another scoop of dirt and then spread that around and compact it. Anyway, now I'm ready. Just waiting on the concrete truck. Should be here in about 30 minutes. All right, be back in a minute.
Huh. It's gonna be a little weavy. This is not exactly what I was expecting. Maybe I need to go over more.
Yeah, make sure you're on the board there. You know?
I was trying to get off of the board because when I did that,
you want to use the board the first time because it'll get you the.
Look at that, the weaves right there. One's sinking in.
Huh?
The left side's sinking in without the help of the board.
Yeah, just do it one time and then.
Huh?
Just do it one time and then go over. It's really kind of super right now. You just kind of want to get it shape.
Yes.
Just want to start taking the shape, you know. Yeah, we got a lot of concrete down here. You might use that board again. You know?
Yeah.
It's a little hot. Look at that. I gotta take off the fence, you know?
This is a pretty cool tool.
Yeah.
This is gonna look good, man.
Obviously, been missing for a while, but yeah.
You know what? Little spot right there.
I think when we do that right there, what you're doing is really hold that green. They call it green.
I can see why.
In the top.
I got these little lines. You see the lines?
Yeah. That's fine.
There's gotta be a way that you can fix that real quick.
Well, for one thing, right now it's a little wet. You know what I mean? But I think if we do this, we can kind of help get the clean to the top. And see, we need to get these edges filled in. Down there, though, it's a little high, you know? All right, give you a close up real quick. Took a while for this concrete to get to where I could work with it. I finally just got my edge all the way around, cut that in, and now probably go around it again just to smooth it out a little bit. Then I'm probably gonna buffalo it one more time. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna call this good. I like it. By the way, this is the first time I've ever done concrete by myself. I've always hired it out in the past and watched people do it, but I just never did dare do it for myself. And today, or this time I should say, because it took more than just a day. But anyway, I did it this time, and I really liked it. Different doing it than watching it, of course. I learned some stuff today, so, but I liked it. Looks pretty good though. When it dries, I think it's gonna look a lot better. A lot better. All right, here it is Friday. This stuff's looking good. I'm about ready to take these boards off. But I like it. It rained last night. Or no, excuse me, the night before last night. And I came out here and looked at it the next morning. There's no puddles on it, so that's pretty cool. Means no low spots. All right, let's take these boards off. Got all the boards off, stakes up out of the ground, and cleaned up all the concrete that spilled over the boards. Picked all that stuff up. Now I'm ready to backfill around this thing. But anyway, here, get a real good shot of what it looks like. concrete looks pretty good. So I'm real happy with it. All right, let's keep going. Okay, got the dirt all back in around this thing and graded out pretty good. I used a land rake. I love that little tool. It's right there up against that building. That thing just does so good. I call it a land rake. It's probably a landscaping rake. But anyway, that's what it is right there. It really does a good job. But anyway, so now that I got all that done, now I'm gonna just knock all this dirt around that you see all the way around everywhere else. And I'll be done. Let's do that real quick. Okay, finally got this all backfilled and completed. Looks real good. I even did the backfilling the dirt, landscaped it around that little pump house right there, the well. But I never did that before. But now it all looks tied in together. So real happy with that. I think I got the water so it'll shed away from these two buildings pretty good. You guys, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but definitely going down like that right there to that dark line, and then this one comes down like that. So that water will, you know, come away from those buildings and it'll come towards me. It's all going downhill this way. The land is. So but anyway, that should finish that up. Really nice. So I like it. Alrighty, well, I'm going to finish this video right here. And until the next one, thanks for watching.